Hello everyone, welcome to ABC tutorial and thanks for watching this video. And you can go abctutorial.com for any kind of source code or article, and you can go abctutorial.com/community for any kind of asking or your problem solving. So let's start this video. This is actually the part number 16 of inventory and point of sale. So actually in this part I will show you how you can just happens the CRUD operation. So actually I already show you a CRUD operation in user creation, and then I never completely show you the category creation because already I finished this same work in user creation. So now today I will also start to create a product CRUD. So I just opening my SQL server, and just the project I already opened. You can download this project from ABC tutorial. So you just click on playlist. There is a playlist called point of sale, so you can go any of article and then you will get the link for download. So I already opened my project. So here my SQL server, and this is my database. So see, I already create a category CRUD. So actually I today I will show you the product CRUD. So I will go very fast because this already I already show you in user creation, user update and user retrieval. So if you see my user creation and update and retrieval videos, then you can have a better knowledge to create a CRUD operation. Actually the CRUD operation what I am doing, this is the same things for every UI, right? So this is my controller where I'm working my everything. So this is actually the home controller. So as like user, so I will just alright. So this is actually the user where I'm searching the user. This is actually the user creation view. So I will just copy it and I will rename it as a product. Alright, so this is product view, and after product view there is a save user. So I will also copy this and I will name it save product. Alright, so here also will be product PRD. Alright, so there will be product ID. So I already did the same work in user creation video. You can see this video for if you don't understand this faster things. So okay, no problem. I will update this view when I will start to work for updating data. Here will be products. Alright, so that's all. So save user and get all user, right? So I will copy it. I will just, it will be all product. So actually instead of user I am writing everywhere product, right? See products and just okay, that's all. So is there anything missing or no? So so I already created a view, right? Product view. So I am just adding the view in my view. So just add. So just run the project. See, directly I can access this product page without its loading, and this is actually the layout view, what is common for every view. So this is actually the product view what I added right now. but you can see directly without login I can access this page, but it's not a wise way. All right, so in that case, what it's happened here, because I never used this authorization filter, right, in top of my view, right? Okay, now use it, then you can understand. I will maybe unable to access directly this page. Okay, so alright, so see, here is my view coming, but what was previously, I was directly accessing to product page, but if I trying to directly access product page, but it will never give me the access to this page, right, because it has a filter authorization option. So actually, if you want to learn how I made this, so you can see my previous video where I already did this work, which is role-based authentication and login view. So you can see this video. So if you see this full playlist, then you can learn a lot of things for a big project, for a professional project. All right, so I'm logging right now. Say I'm accessing now the page, but if I write the product page, see, again it's I'm login, but still I cannot access this page. So why I cannot access this page, you know, already I show you in any of previous video, because of I don't have any permission. I mean, the role I logged in as, which is Reza admin, right? So in admin, for admin role, I have to access this page. Page name is home product, right? So now if I want to access this product page, now I can access this product page, right? So this is a complex things, but I show you in a very simple way if you see my previous video. So this is my product page, so I will just copy paste the code from another view, because this is the same things. So I will just copy the category views code. So I will just copy everything from category. So that's all. So in product I have how many column? Name, category, and status, right? So if I reload the page, so this is my page. So this is actually category, but it will be product. All right, so this is actually category ID, it will be product ID. Okay, product name. All right, so here is a product name and category ID. So in that case, it's a product name, and this is save user. It will not be save user, it will be save product. It's just a copy paste things. Alright, so now I will copy this product ID and the product name, and this is a status. So I will just copy save product method name here, just paste, and the parameter is product, so I will just put parameter name here and it will be product. Alright, so I'll just, there will be product ID here, and name is name. So I need another another field which is category ID. Category ID. So in that case I will create a category here, no problem, just I'm writing right now. Category ID, name, status. Alright, so here I will put category product. Okay, so that's all. So right now it will not be category, right? It will be a product. And it will be get all product. And name, so here is name, status, so we have to provide another field, which is category, right? So in that case category should come from here, right? So if I go product, see, is there any category? Yes. So in that case we have to include because we need category name also, right? But directly in this product table we don't have any category name, so in that case we will go using category ID, right? Category. So I will copy paste how many that's all the field actually, name, category ID and status. So this is actually category ID, name, status, and here I will pick the category name, right? Category name and product, category dot name, right? So that means category name is here, so I can right now I can show the category name in my list of view, right? So name, category name, so I should have a, so just copy just paste this. So just copy this name, category name. Alright, so name, category name, and status. So it will show in my list, but when I will pass the parameter, I will also pass the product ID, right? So in that case, just product ID. So just copy. Alright, so this will be product ID, category ID, name, and status. So will be product ID. Alright, so I should have to update this value, right? So first it will be product ID. So in product ID it will capture the product ID in category. So do I have any category here? So in category we'll have category ID and the name. So what was the name? Yes, this is the product name, right? So in product name it will have the name, right? So because product ID, category, and then name will come in third position. So third position is name, and then status is same. So in that case I will just, when we will reset this, when we will click reset button, then it will just keep null. Alright, so that's all. Just run the project right now, then see what happened. Okay, just log in. Go to product page. So see here only one field is exists product, but here I need at least two field, right? One is name, another is category. Alright, so in that case I should have another field, right? So which will be and that will be a drop down list, right? So form control so maybe in user we have a drop down list, so I can copy from user. So there is a drop down list, so I will just copy from user view. Yes, this is the drop down. So here we'll show the product, category, right? So in that case I have to write another code, JavaScript code, to get all product category. Get all. So I can copy this code from my category view, because already in category view we have a method what is returning all category, right? So just copy this code and just paste here all category and all category. So in that case, in this option, in this option will be for loop, right? So instead of this I will write just go and just here I will write drop down div okay. So sorry, not this div, I'll change this div. This is drop down div, and inside this div I will just show the options. Alright, so first keep here, then I will no need any on click things here, so just so we will write this option here, an option here, and just delete these codes from here. Alright, so inside the option we have a value. I will put this, and in this value we will keep our category ID. Alright, so in that case we will have the ID here and the name here. Alright, so in category view, category list, sorry, from this category list I'll just select category ID. Right, so it will be category ID and it will be name. So just delete it and it will be drop down div. Alright, so I will set this drop down div is here and then I will just remove this. So now run the project, and already project is running, so just go to product view. See, here is three category. Alright, so if I see the category table, is there any category or not? Yes, there is a three category. One is test 24, 33 and mobile phone. So if I click here, actually the value is setting background. Which value is setting inside the background? So background is setting category ID. Alright, so this is the thing. So what we are trying to do, so just if I want to save data from here, so product name is Nokia, and if I select mobile phone category and if I save this, so I cannot understand is it saving or not, right? So in that case just debug. Not save user, it will be save product, and it will be save all product, right? So after saving we will have this product list. So now Nokia. Okay, reload the page. So actually our product is not loading, so just call this method when page is loading. Alright, so Nokia, so I can select mobile phone, so it's calling. So if I see data is not coming here, so is it saved or not? So product is it's showing null reference. So if I go in product table, see here is category ID going null, right? So in that case that means category ID is not passing properly. Alright, so category ID, where is my category ID? So here I never used any category ID. Alright, so I actually used this drop down div, right? So I will pick this drop down div value. Alright, so or I can give this drop down div name, I mean ID name is category ID, so in that case I have to change my ID name here as well, right? So I'm just if I just put the manual entry here, So login. Alright, so go to product, and if I want to say Samsung, and fuel, why it's getting error. Here we can see an error, which is when we load the page. So actually the error getting because of issue. So if I show you the error, just see, and click here, see the error here. Actually this is a JavaScript error, so this is not issue. The issue is get all categories. If I click here, see here is a circular reference was detected. So sometimes you will get this error in your when you are getting data from backend. So reason of this error actually the circular references, because this data has a dependency to product, this category. So when this data is loading, then a product product item count is getting here, and also here we are getting all product ID product. So actually between these two things getting circular reference error, because here is product here also have product count, and here also we have product count. So in that case, just if you don't understand more, then no need to be worried, because I will just show you how you can resolve this error. Data list, you just we need to just manually pick the data from backend, right? And what I did in my get all product list, I have to do the same work in the category list. All right, so just I will pick the field. So just maybe it will be ID, so category ID. So I will just copy paste it here, and there will be name, maybe, right? So name, and there will be status and status. So see, three field we have in category table. So I'm getting this three field in this way, then it will work fine. All right, so for all time you can do like this way when you are getting data from backend. All right. See now page is loading and there is no error, right? So that's all. So if I save now product as the Samsung and the category is mobile phone, and just save, see product is coming here. So here is showing just directly category status is 1. So we can write this status mean active or inactive. All right, so we will do the key cleaning work after at the ending of video. So click here. So see product is not setting here. So just go to edit, and if I Okay, so now click here. If I click here, it's not working. So that means the problem is in my this TD content, right? So if I want to see what happened inside the TD content and see here Nokia has I mean single quotation, but this one and this one is don't have any single quotation. So actually this is integer, right? So in that case we don't have to keep a single quotation here, right? So just go, where is the single quotation? Single quotation is second integer before second integer, right? First integer, second integer. So in this single quotation just need to delete and again just reload this page. So now if I click here, see the product set it now. If I click here, see Samsung and mobile. If I want to change the Samsung to test 24, no, just test 23, then just click and save and see if I reload, Samsung should be test 23, right? Yes. So that means this is the product, how we can add product, how we can edit product, and how we can retrieve the product list inside my view of list. So that's all the CRUD operation of product. So this is actually the basic and master data. From next video we will start more things, because now we are day by day we are entering inside the inventory and point of sale management. So basically we are set up the basic and master setups. So then we will start the order and the purchase and this kind of things. Currently what we are doing, this status, we are just passing this status from background. So see here in where we saving the product, see the status is 1. By default it's always 1. If it is even inactive, then it's passing 1. So this is it's not the best way. I just did it for faster coding, but now I will align it and I will make change it. So the status will be given from client side, right? So in that case, so I have to go, I will just change right now product page status, but other page I will change in next any other video. So go to product, and here is the status we handled by this ID. All right, so this is actually hidden when we are going to edit. So just click this, copy this, and this will be this ID, and it will be deleted from there, because always we will handle it by this selection. So option, first option is select, and second option is active value 1, and value 0 is inactive. All right, so reload the page. The active, inactive. So if I, okay, just first we have to change in our controller, so it will be coming from client side. Okay, so everything is okay. Okay, just log in, go to product view. So if we want to edit it, see this is active and it's showing here active. If I inactive it, then save, see what happened. It's not showing here because only active data is coming here. So if we want to see even active inactive data, then the filter we used here, we have to delete this filter. See active and inactive, it's showing 0 and 1. Instead of 0 and 1, we want to see the active inactive, right? So here, when we are showing this value, we can show if it is 1, then active, else inactive. Just use a ternary operator and just reload. Maybe in list loading it's having some problems, so that's why I write this code. So let's see what happened. Still having problems, so in that case I will just debug in this list. So see, here is the problem is here because this name and everything is not coming, just inactive is coming here, other things is not coming. So the problem is we cannot use this ternary operator inside the each condition, so I will handle it outside of this. So here, if 1 1, then status name equal active and else status I will just put this status name here, then I can see what happened here. See, now it's showing properly active and inactive. So if I click, it's inactive, then if I want to active it, then active. If I want to inactive this, then we can inactive it, then it's inactive. So that's the way how we want to do everything from our side. So I will also do this work for user and category as well in next any of video. So thank you very much, keep subscribe and keep watching.